Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains Ford Fiesta suspension noise and discusses commonly documented reasons why unusual sounds may be noticed from the suspension area during driving. In Ford Fiesta models, suspension noise can present as knocking, clunking, or rattling sounds, especially when driving over uneven roads, speed breakers, or rough surfaces. The likelihood and characteristics of these noises can vary depending on model year, suspension design, mileage, road conditions, and overall vehicle usage. As suspension components age, certain parts may gradually wear or loosen. Verified automotive references indicate that components such as suspension bushings, mounts, and joints can degrade over time, which may contribute to audible noise during movement. In some cases, older Fiesta generations may experience noise related to normal wear patterns, while newer models could show noise linked to early component fatigue or road condition exposure. This video explains commonly documented causes and patterns. Some cases can vary by model year, mileage, or prior repairs, so this information may not apply to every vehicle. A certified mechanic or dealership should be consulted for vehicle-specific diagnosis. General guidance often involves inspecting suspension components for wear, looseness, or damage and ensuring that fasteners and mounts are properly secured. Addressing suspension noise early can help prevent further wear on related components, although the appropriate fix depends on the exact source of the sound and the vehicle's condition. Overall, suspension noise in a Ford Fiesta is not always tied to a single cause and can differ across generations and driving environments. Careful inspection and professional evaluation remain the most reliable way to determine the exact reason in any individual case. If you do not understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.